everybody, it's Jennifer with DSA here on the skincare side, and just wanted to let everyone know when we talk skincare and first starting out, we usually start with 3 basics. We call them the ABCs. So we're talking vitamin A, a broad spectrum sunscreen, and your vitamin C. These are really where you want to start. They are the skin changers for your skin. You want to start with protecting your skin with a sunscreen. A really great quality sunscreen is going to get some zinc oxide. That's a key ingredient. So I would suggest you go home, look at your sunscreen that you're using on a daily basis right now, and see if it has any zinc. If it doesn't, it's definitely something that you want to incorporate into your sunscreen. We have a wide selection of sunscreens that carry zinc, and we can definitely find a tinted option for you, a non-greasy option for you, something that you can use every day. We have it here. Then we like to talk about vitamin C. That's something that you use in the daytime. It works with your sunscreen to protect your skin. It helps to protect your collagen. It helps to brighten the skin. I like to say that it helps with texture, tone, and clarity. So it's going to do a lot of different things. But vitamin C is the most potent, powerful antioxidant that you can put on your skin. And then the last thing that we like to say, if you're wanting to, if you've got acne breakouts, if you're from an anti-aging perspective, want to change your skin, that's going to be your vitamin A or your retinol. Everybody talks about retinol. There are varying different levels and different derivatives that you can use with vitamin A. The most common that people know is Retin A or the tretinoin. That is prescription strength. We do like to start people out with medical grade retinol so that you can ease into this. We don't want you to have dry, peely, flaky skin so that you stop using it. The key with retinol is to get it on your skin every single day. So if you're considering what you can do for your skin and you want to know where you can start, this is where you would start. A vitamin C, a sunscreen, and your retinol. My coworkers wanted me to share some helpful hints and tricks if you're wondering what's going on with your skin and how you can, just from a lifestyle perspective, help your skin. So I say it all the time here and everyone makes fun of me, drinking water. Drinking water is going to be one of the things that you can do straight from your faucet, straight from your house. You don't have to make a big production out of it. Drinking water helps your skin, but here's the key. You do need to drink enough water because it goes to your organs in your body before it even gets to your skin. So that rule of thumb of drinking 8 glasses of water a day, there is something to it and it is very important. A couple of other things to consider is your diet. We have hormonal fluctuations, eating clean. These are all things that are important. If you're wearing makeup, do you clean your makeup brushes? All things to consider. Washing your face at night, cleansing your skin. Very simple things can help improve your skin over time. So if you need more helpful hints, just let us know.